You're listening to
Power English.
Welcome, everyone, to a brand new week of Power English. It is Monday, December 23rd, 2019, and I'm Christine Cho.
And I'm Denny Hong.
Okay, hope you all had a great weekend.
Did you guys get your Christmas shopping done? It's only a couple days away.
Well, do Korean people do a lot of Christmas shopping?
Yeah.
Is there a lot of gift giving?
Well, even if it's not buying for other people, there's sales. So did you get your Christmas sales shopping done?
Well, I tell you, the Christmas sales, after Christmas sales in America is humongous. That's when you want to go.
Yeah.
If you want to do some shopping. But today, we are not talking about shopping. We are talking about spiced mulled wine.
Nice.
So M-U-L-L-E-D. So we've talked about like Nouveau, Beaujolais, you know, wine, Bordeaux.
Yeah.
But this...
Mulled wine.
What is mulled wine?
Hot wine.
Okay.
Think of it that way.
That's good.
It's basically you just get wine and you mix it with certain like
spices.
Like some people put citrus, star anise, cinnamon, stuff like that.
Yeah.
And you heat it up. And so it's a warm alcoholic drink, but it's wine. And actually, there's a few cafes that I go to that have, I guess, benjo, right, is maybe what they call it in Korea, but I think it's an Italian name for it. But it's basically mulled wine, and they have it on their menu, and it's tasty.
Yeah, I'm sure it is. And it's perfect for winter. It's a wintry drink.
And it's also, if you have a cold, it's not bad to have a glass, right? So, again, I don't drink, but I will drink a mulled wine just because in the winter, as a holiday drink, it's tradition.
It's tradition. All right. So, of course, we've got three expressions for you. If you say that something, that's a nice touch. What does that mean? Are you touching somebody?
No, right? If it's a nice touch, it's a good extra thought or a good extra thing that just makes something a little bit better.
Okay. Now, if you win someone over.
To win someone over means that you make someone like you or prefer you more.
All right. And play one's cards right.
We're not really playing cards.
Yeah.
What we are doing is you're making correct decisions, good choices.
Perfect. All right, so our power dialogue today is not so much about food, but it's about mulled wine.
What smells so good in here? Are you cooking something?
Yeah, I'm making spiced mulled wine for the office party. I'm using a family recipe from Germany. I thought it would be a nice touch.
If I didn't know better, I'd think you were trying to win over Greta, who's visiting from our Berlin office.
Well, I think Greta's great, so I figured I'd make her a traditional German holiday drink.
If you play your cards right, she might even go to dinner with you before she leaves town.
That would be nice, but honestly, I'm just doing it to be nice.
You're listening to